ordinary integrate it and apply the upper limit minus lower limit will give the definite values. Take LCM 2 to the 4 minus 1 is 3 by 2. So e square minus e plus 3 by 2 is the integrated answer. Integration of 1 over x is log x and between limits 1 to 2. Integral 0 to 1 6x plus 1 into root of 3x square plus x plus 5 dx. So this can be done by the method of substitution. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics revision class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session, I am going to discuss regarding definite integrals and application of definite integrals to its areas. Very important chapter. So in this chapter, you are going to expect one marker question and 2 marks 3 questions. So the weightage for this is 1 mark 1 question, 2 marks 3 questions. Totally you will get 7 marks from this chapter. So 1 mark 1 MCQ question from definite integrals, remaining 2 marks 3 questions, 1 from definite integral and 2 from applications of a integral. So totally 7 marks for this 1 marker and 2 marker question. Now let us discuss 1 marker question. So just recall the definite integral. Integral a to b f of x dx. Suppose if you integrate f of x dx, you are going to get capital F of x and the limits are a to b. Just apply the upper limit f of b minus f of a. This is called your definite integral. So ordinary integrate it and apply the upper limit minus lower limit will give the definite value. So the name itself indicates it's a definite value. So now as you know, the first problem, integration of x is x square, x to the power of 1 plus 1 is 2 by 2. Integration of x dx is x square by 2 and between the limits, what are the limits? 1 to 2. Lower limit is 1, upper limit is 2. So just apply the upper limit 2 square by 2 minus 1 square divided by 2. So 2 square is nothing but 4 divided by 2 minus 1 by 2. 2 is the LCM. 4 minus 1, that's equal to 3 by 2. So the value of this limit is 3 by 2. That's it. That's it. 4 minus 1 divided by 2 is 3 by 2 is the integrated answer. So this itself is a definite value. So this is called a definite integral. Now move on to the next problem. The integration of x e raised to x between limits 1 to 2. Now just integrate this using parts. So here u is equal to x, first function, dv is equal to e to the power of x dx and differentiate it. Du is equal to dx. Integration of e power x is e power x. What is the formula? uv minus integral v du. So uv x into e to the power of x minus integral of e power x into du is dx. So this is x e power x minus. So here if you want you can take the common factor. E power x is the common factor. What we will get? X minus 1. So therefore integral 1 to 2 x e power x dx is equal to e to the power of x into x minus 1 between the limits 1 to 2. Now just apply the upper limit e to the power of 2 into 2 minus 1 minus lower limit e to the power of 1 into 1 minus 1. So this is e square into 2 minus 1 is 1 minus e to the power of 1 is e into 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is e square into 1 is e square minus 0, that's equal to e square. So the integrated answer for this is e square. That's it. Okay. Move on to the next problem. Integral of x plus e to the power of x dx between the limits 1 to 2. Now this is same as that of the previous problem. Ordinary integral. Integration of x is x square by 2 plus integration of e power x is e power x and between the limits 1 to 2. Just apply the upper limit 2 square divided by 2 plus e to the power of 2 minus 1 square is 1 by 2 plus e to the power of 1. So this is equal to 2 square is 4 by 2 is 2 plus e square minus 1 by 2 plus e to the power of 1 is e. So this is 2 plus e square minus 1 by 2 minus e. So just you can write e square minus e as it is plus take LCM 2 to the 4 minus 1 is 3 by 2. So e square minus e plus 3 by 2 is the integrated answer. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. Integral of minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 of cosecant square x dx. So integrated. Integral of cosecant square x is minus cot x between the limits minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Just apply the upper limits. So minus of cot pi by 4 minus of minus cot pi by 4. So this is equal to, what is cot 45? Cot 45 is 1 minus, again minus of cot 45 is minus 1. So this is equal to minus 1, minus into minus, plus into minus, minus 1, that's equal to minus 2 is the integrated answer. Okay. So the integrated answer is minus 2. Now move on to the next problem. Integral of 1 over x dx between limits 1 to 2. So integration of 1 over x is log x and between limits 1 to 2. So what is the upper limit? Log 2 minus logarithm of 1. So logarithm of 2 as it is. What is logarithm of 1? 0. This is equal to log 2 itself. Or you can also write log m by n is log m minus n. Log 2 by 1 is log 2. That's it. So this is very important for a 1 mark MCQ. Now, so integration of 1 over x dx between limits 1 to 2 is log 2. Now move on to the next problem. 0 to pi by 2 secant square 3x dx. Now let us integrate this. Integral of secant square x is tan, instead of x it is tan 3x by 3 between limits 0 to pi by 2. So we can take 1 over 3 out, and what is left over is tan 3x between limits 0 to pi by 2. Now apply the upper limit first. 1 over 3 into tan of 3 times pi by 2 minus tan of 3 into 0 is 0. So 1 over 3 into, now just find out the value. What is sin 0? Sin 0 0, cos 0 is equal to 1, and tan 0. What is tan 0? 1, 0 by 1 is 0, tan 0 is 0. So here tan 0 is equal to 0, and tan of 3 times pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90. Tan of 90 into 3 is 270 degree. What is tan 270? Tan 270 can be written as 270 plus 0. So this 270 plus theta comes in. So 90, 180, 270. 270 plus theta comes in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, tan is negative. Tan 270 plus theta is cot theta, minus of, what is cot theta? So cot 0. Cot 0 is equal to cos by sine 1 by 0. Right? 1 by 0. That's equal to infinity. Minus of infinity. So this is equal to minus infinity. 1 by 3 minus infinity. This is the answer we are going to get. If you want, you can further simplify this. That's it. Now move on to the next problem. Integral of 2x square plus 1 over x between limits 1 to 2. So integration of x square is x cube by 3, 2x cube by 3 plus integration of 1 over x is log x between limits 1 to 2. Apply the limit 2 cube divided by 3 plus log of 2 minus, apply the lower limit. So what is the lower limit? Lower limit is 1. 2 into 1 cube is 1 divided by 3 plus logarithm of 1. Simplify this. So this is equal to 2 cube, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2 to the 16 divided by 3 plus log 2 minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3, again minus logarithm of 1 is 0. So this is equal to 16 by 3 minus 2 by 3 plus log 2, take LCM, 3 is the LCM, 16 minus 2 plus log 2, 16 minus 2 is 14, 14 by 3 plus log 2 is the simplified answer. That's it. So the integrated answer is 14 by 3 plus log 2. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. So integral 0 to 1 6x plus 1 into root of 3x square plus x plus 5 dx. So this can be done by the method of substitution. Put t is equal to inside root, that is 3x square plus x plus 5. Differentiate this. Dt by dx is equal to differentiation of 3x square is 6x plus x is 1. So therefore dt is equal to 6x plus 1 into dx. Now this given integral can be written as 6x plus 1 dx is nothing but dt, and this root of 3x square plus x plus 5 can be taken as t into dt. Now, whenever substitutions are taken, the value of limit changes. When x is equal to, what is the lower limit? When x is equal to 0, t is equal to 3 into 0 is 0 plus 5, that's equal to 5. The lower limit becomes 5, and the upper limit, what is the upper limit? When x is equal to 1, t is equal to 3 into 1 square is 3 into 1 square plus 1 plus 5, that is 3 plus 1 plus 5, that's equal to 9. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, so this becomes 9. So integrate it. Integral of this is nothing but t to the power of 1 by 2 dt between limits 5 to 9. So t to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 between limits 5 to 9. This can be written as 2 by 3. Apply the upper limit. 9 to the power of 3 by 2 minus 5 to the power of 3 by 2. So this is nothing but 2 by 3 into 9 can be written as 9 is equal to 3 square. So this is 2 gets cancelled. 3 square whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus, this is nothing but 5 to the power of 3 whole to the power of 1 by 2. So this is 2 by 3 into, so 2 gets cancelled, 3 cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus square root of 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5 is 125. That's it. So square root of 125. Right, 5 cube, 5 5s are 25 into 5 is 125. So the simplified answer is 2 by 3, 27 minus root of 125. Now move on to the next type of problems. Again, these are also 2 marker. So application of integrals. Find the area under the curve y square is equal to 4x, x-axis, and the line x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. Now this is very important. Find the area under the curve y square is equal to 4x and x-axis and the line x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. Y square is equal to 4x is nothing but an equation of a parabola which is opening towards right side. Y square is equal to 4x. This is the origin, and the line x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. So this is x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. We have to find the area of this shaded region. So the curve is on x-axis. So therefore, the area of the curve is given by area is equal to integral a to b y dx. This is 1 to 3, 1 to 3. What is y from this? Y is equal to square root of 4x, that is nothing but 2 root x. So this can also be written as 2 into root x dx, that is 2 out, 1 to 3, x to the power of 1 by 2 dx. So 2 into integration of x raised to half plus 1 is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 between limits 1 to 3. This is 2 into 2 by 3 and apply the upper limit 3 to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1 to the power of 3 by 2. So 2 2s are 4 by 3 into, this is nothing but 3 to the power of 3 by 2. 3 to the power of 3 by 2 means 3 cube whole raised to 1 by 2, that is square root of 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27, that is nothing but 3 root 3. This is 3 root 3 minus 1 square units. So the required area is equal to 4 by 3 into 3 root 3 minus 1 square units. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. Find the area under the curves y square is equal to x and x square is equal to y. So these are nothing but the equation of the parabola opening right side. Y square is equal to 4x is the equation of a parabola opening right side. X square is equal to y. X square is equal to 4ay means equation of a parabola opening upward. So the area enclosed between these two curves is to be determined. Now let us draw the curve for this. So x-axis, y-axis. Right. Now y square is equal to x means y square is equal to 4x is an equation of a parabola which is opening right side. Y square is equal to x. Another equation, x square is equal to y means x square is equal to 4ay. This is a parabola which is opening upwards. X square is equal to y. Now we have to find the area enclosed between these two curves. Let me write properly. So y square is equal to x is an equation of a parabola opening rightwards. Another one is x square is equal to 4ay. X square is equal to y means it is of the form x square is equal to 4ay is the equation of a parabola opening upwards. So this is the parabola. Right. Now we have to find the area enclosed by these two curves. So this is x square is equal to y. So what is required to find is the area of this curve. O, let us call it as A, B, C, right? So this is to be determined. Now just find out the point of intersection. Solving 1 and 2, solving 1 and 2. What is equation number 1? Y square is equal to x. Another one is x square is equal to y. Substitute the value. So y square is equal to x and x square is equal to y. So just substitute the value of y, that is y is nothing but x square whole square is equal to x. So x to the power of 4 minus x is equal to 0. You can take x common factor. X cube minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or x cube is equal to 1. Therefore, this x cube can also be written as 1 cube. X is equal to 1. The points are x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 are the points, right? So here this is x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 and x is equal to 0, right? Now therefore the required area is equal to integral 0 to 1. So what we have, y square is equal to x, therefore y is equal to root x, that is x to the power of 1 by 2. Next again another equation is x square is equal to y. X square is equal to y means y is equal to, so the required area is equal to integral of x to the power of 1 by 2 minus x square dx. That's it. Now integrate it. So if you integrate x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus x cube by 3 between limits 0 to 1. So this is 2 by 3 into, apply the upper limit, 1 to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1 cube divided by 3 minus lower limit is 0. So this is equal to 2 by 3 into 1 is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Take LCM, 3 is the LCM. 2 minus 1, that's equal to 1 by 3. That's it. Hence the required area is equal to 1 over 3 square units. That's it. Now move on to the next problem. Find the area bounded by the parabola y square is equal to 4x and the line y is equal to 2x minus 4. Y is equal to 2x minus 4 is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. It's an equation of a straight line. Y square is equal to 4x means a parabola which is opening right side. So this is y axis, x axis, origin. This is the parabola. That is y square is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to 4x. So y is equal to 2x minus 4 as an equation of a straight line. So this is y is equal to 2x minus 4. Right. Now what is required to find the area of this shaded portion is to be determined. This is to be determined. Okay. Now solve this to get the point of contact. So y square is equal to 4x. Therefore x is equal to y square by 4. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Right. And what is the line given? The line is y is equal to 2x minus 4. Substitute the value. Y is equal to 2 into x is y square by 4 minus 4. Now just divide it, multiply by 2. 2y is equal to y square minus 8. Y square minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Solve this and get the values of y. So y square minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Factorize this. This is 4 into 2, y into y. Yes, minus into plus it is minus. Minus 4y plus 2y is equal to minus 2y. So the factors are y minus 4 and y plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 4 or y is equal to minus 2. These are the two values of y. Okay. So, just solving equation 1 and 2. If you solve equation 1 and 2, so y square is equal to 4x. Therefore, x is equal to y square by 4 and y is equal to 2x minus 4. The given equation of the line. Substitute the value of x in this line. So what is x? X is equal to y square by 4. Simplify, you will get a quadratic equation in terms of y. Y square minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Factorize this. The factors are y minus 4 into y plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 4 or y is equal to minus 2 are the coordinates of y. Now, just find out the coordinates of x. Now, so when y is equal to 4, what is x? X is equal to y square by 4. X is equal to 4 square divided by 4 means 4. X is equal to 4. So, therefore, one point is when x is 4, y is also 4. Another value, when y is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 2 whole square divided by 4. This is 4 by 4 is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2. So, these are the point of contacts, that is, when x is equal to, this is a, call it as 4 and 4, a, when x is 4, y is also 4, and this is b. What is b? B is nothing but when x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2. These are the points. Right. Now, just find out the area enclosed between these two curves. So, for this, therefore, the required area is equal to required area is equal to integral minus 2 to 4 of, what is x from this? So, 2x is equal to y plus 4. Therefore, x is equal to y plus 4 by 2. Another value of x is x is equal to y square by 4. So, therefore, the required area is equal to integral minus 2 to 4 of y plus 4 by 2 minus another value is y square by 4. Integrate this between the limits minus 1 to 4 with respect to dy. That's it. Now, integrate it. So, here 1 by 2 out, integral of y is y square by 2 plus 4y minus, that is limit between minus 2 to 4 minus integral of this 1 by 4 out, y square is y cube by 3 between limits minus 2 to 4. So, this is, just simplify this, what we will get, y square divided by 4 plus 4y divided by 2 between minus 2 to 4 and minus y cube divided by 4 3s are 12 between minus 2 to 4. So, if you simplify this, just apply the limit, the limit 4 square is 16 by 4 is 4 plus 2 2s are gets cancelled. Yes, 4 into 2 is 8. This is upper limit minus lower limit. 2 square is 4. 4 by 4 is 1. Again, lower limit. What is lower limit? Is minus 2. Minus 2 into plus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 4s are 16. 4s are 64 by 12 minus 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 by 12. Simplify this. That's it. Okay. So, if you simplify this, this is equal to 27 by 3. That's equal to 9 square units. That's it. So, the required area is equal to 9 square units. Just apply the upper limit minus lower limit, simplify, you will get the required area is equal to 9 square units. So, that's all. This is how we are going to solve the problems related to area of a curve in application of integrals. That's it. So, hope you followed all these type of problems. These type of problems are very important for the examination. So, that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you very much.